YouTube, welcome back to the Mulan Li channel, and today I will be doing a vision board. I know what y'all thinking. Y'all probably thinking like, why are you doing a vision board and we already started off the year? Because I ain't feel like sharing your upcoming moves with people would help you get to where you wanted to go, because everybody's not rooting for you. Some people are praying on your downfall, and that's why I did not want to. Sorry about that, DJ came in, but I just don't feel like I changed my mind because I was watching so many videos. Because when January started off, I was supposed to release my vision board, but I was like, But something changed my mind. When I posted my clothing haul video, I had a hate comment for the first time. And basically what the hate comment said, it said like I wasn't going to make it far, so I might as well give it up. So that pushed me to go even harder. So I said, let me post a vision board and tell y'all what my goals is, and let's see, do I accomplish them. That means we about to let the videos speak for themselves, okay? Basically, I know that a vision board is just not gonna help me accomplish all my goals, but what it does do, remind me to go hard to work towards my goals. We about to start working on this vision board. So before we get into this vision board, y'all know what y'all gotta do. Y'all must subscribe to my channel, like right now. Go do that right now. So yeah, shout out to Erin the Man for how I organized my vision board. I really got all my ideas from her. YouTube link will be in the description box, so make sure y'all go subscribe to her channel too, because I watch her all the time and I love her channel. Stuff I'm gonna do is cut out the pictures from my vision board. Literally all I have is board, some scissors, and some tape. So I'm gonna just talk to y'all and show y'all how I make my vision board. I started my vision board off with this 2020 picture. Now I'm just gonna tape it up there, front and center. Excuse Tez, he just got home from school. The reason why I printed out the word belief is because that's my word for the year, I believe, for 2020. So I'm just gonna put that up there. I'm gonna explain why. The reason behind me using belief as my word for the year is because I attended church on New Year's Day, and Bishop had chose some people out of the crowd and threw a ball to them, and I was one of the people to catch a ball. So it was a word on the ball that you were in 2019, and then it was a band-aid, and once you tore it off, that would be the word you would be in 2020. So my word happened to be fear for 2019, and my word happened to be bold in 2020. So the fear of failing was holding me back from believing that I could do things that I didn't think I could do. That's how you word it. So I used this quote for the year: the moment you doubt whether you can fly, you cease to be able to do it. And this is my quote for 2020. So, yeah. The quote, the moment you doubt whether you can fly, you cease to be able to do it. The meaning behind it is, if I register in my head that I can't do something, then I train myself to really believe that I can't do it. So the first picture I want to put up there is because I want to grow closer to God in 2020. So my goal is for my YouTube channel to hit 1K. So that's why I'm pasting that there. I want to save up $5,000 by the end of 2020 because it means a lot to me for me to save up $5,000 because I am a college student and I like to shop. This is just a picture of me because I know I love me, so me. Okay, this picture represents a scholarship. In 2020, I won a scholarship for the fall semester. So I'm just going to paste that there. This picture represents self-love, so I'm going to just paste that there. Y'all know y'all get the vibes. So this is a picture of me and my boo joint, if y'all don't know. I want us to grow stronger in 2020. So yeah. I want to receive a YouTube award in 2020, so I'm going to paste that there. Hopefully that happens. This picture represents great mental health, so at all times I want to be mentally healthy. This is a picture of the United States, of course, because I want to travel more, so. In 2020, it's a must that I go to Disney World. I've never been. So yeah, I'm gonna paste that there. This picture has a lot of words in it. It's because I want to expand my vocabulary in 2020. So yeah, I'm pasting that there too. Okay, y'all, so I'm getting into makeup. So hopefully by the end of 2020, I'll be good at it. Okay, so in 2020, I love this store. So I do want to collab with Shein. It's only right. So y'all sponsor me, please. I also want to do a collaboration with Pretty Little Things, so y'all sponsor me too, okay? So please hit that subscribe button and help me get to my 1K on YouTube. And also visit my Instagram and help me get to my 10K. I don't think I showed y'all that picture, but yeah, it's there. So this is the finishing look to my vision board. I will be hanging this up to be a reminder of what goals I want to achieve for 2020. It's not the maximum, but it is the goal. I want to thank you guys for watching me do my vision board. Thank you guys for subscribing to my YouTube channel. If you already subscribed, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe now. Give this video a thumbs up, comment below. Yeah, I'm signing out.